1951 saw the Festival of Britain, and Whitehead's exhibited about 20 fabrics from people such as Jacqueline Groag, Sir Henry Moore, Marion Marler, John Piper, Sir Terence Conran. Wow, just all design heroes. Whitehead's is 200 years old, and in celebration of this we decided to return 6 designs to the market. We've chosen 6, and they're all by iconic designers. Well, it wasn't easy. We had lots to choose from, and the 6 that we chose were from the 1950s, when Whitehead's was really in its heyday. Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg, really. We may stay with the 1950s, but I'm keen to go to the 1960s, when the mood was completely different. Obviously, we couldn't improve on those designs, but what has improved is the technology. In the 50s, the fabric was rubbish. It really wasn't of a quality that people would expect today. But now we're printing on pure cotton. The technology's improved, digital imaging, everything like that has helped us along the journey.